Welcome to today's video on the Fibonacci sequence. Have you ever noticed a pattern in nature that seems almost too perfect to be a coincidence? That's exactly what the Fibonacci sequence is all about. It's one of mathematics' most fascinating discoveries, and it shows up in places you would never expect. So what exactly is it? The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two numbers before it. It starts like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and it continues infinitely. Simple enough, right? But here's where things get truly remarkable. This sequence was introduced to the Western world by Italian mathematician Leonardo of Pisa, known as Fibonacci, in his 1202 book Liber Abaci. However, Indian mathematicians had already explored these patterns centuries earlier. Now, what makes this sequence so special is its deep connection to something called the golden ratio. As you divide any Fibonacci number by the one before it, the result gets closer and closer to approximately 1.618, a number mathematicians call phi. This ratio appears throughout art, architecture, and most strikingly, nature itself. Look at the spiral of a nautilus shell, the arrangement of seeds in a sunflower, the branching of trees, even the spiral of galaxies. They all follow Fibonacci patterns. The petals on most flowers also tend to be Fibonacci numbers. 3, 5, 8, or 13 petals are extremely common. Beyond nature, the sequence has practical applications in computer science, stock market analysis, and modern algorithms. Fibonacci search techniques and Fibonacci heaps are actively used in computer programming today. The sequence also appears in human proportions, which artists like Leonardo da Vinci incorporated into their work to achieve what we perceive as perfect beauty. What's truly mind-blowing is that a simple rule, add the last two numbers, produces a pattern woven into the very fabric of our universe. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.